working muna.
Why? Why stop working? Okay, we are recording now. Welcome to the
Yung
Kamote
work.
Show. The Kamote Show.
The return of the comeback.
It's not really a return. It's more like we have nothing better to do or whatever. Oh, okay, so I think it has to be a T. We're missing two
Ay,
T's.
tansya. Meron na. Tanin. Meron na.
No.
Panic.
Tanic? Is that a thing? That was a thing. Oh, we're
Oh,
we're
yun na
missing
yun.
one T. Okay. Okay. Let's wait for Cry to show before we attempt the crossword. Even though it's just a Wednesday, it's not so bad. We'll try to clear my backlog of old spelling bees
Wild.
first. Uh, Wilden, Wilded, Wild. Okay, that's not getting us anywhere. Ild, idle.
Diddle.
What?
Diddle.
Diddle.
Diddle. Okay, that is indeed the word. Okay, how many do we need for this one? This
Inline.
is
Meron na ba?
10 more. I don't think this dictionary
Sa
accepts
CSS
inline.
lang yan.
So it's a programming thingy. Mil milliner,
Lewd.
midline, lewd. Okay, lewded. That's not a verb. Lied. The uh, denial.
Limbed. Past tense.
Medal.
Did you say medal?
Oy. These meddling kids.
We've gotten away.
Okay, we have six more words remaining. Indeli Indelimundo. Okay. Lidded.
Next page na.
Mule. What? What did you say?
Next page daw.
Next
Page.
page.
Scroll. Swipe left. Yan. Weld. Welding.
Oh, okay.
Welded.
Uh,
Wield.
Yeah, wheeled.
Windmill.
oh, we're good. No, we need one more.
Di ba may ED yan?
Windmilled.
Milled.
It's like a dance move.
Ooh.
Very good. Oh, we didn't need hints for this one. Maybe I needed hints.
666 puzzles.
What?
Did 666 puzzles.
Oh, that's right. So we need to do a few more so that it's not bad luck or something.
But it's not bad.
Um,
Malta. No.
Adamantine.
That's a place. That's not a real thing. Uh,
Lima bean. Meron na.
I have it.
Kingdom
Mind.
Animalia.
Meron na.
Pero
Tamina.
I don't think it accepts.
Ano nga yun?
Laminin, meron ba nun?
Lanolin.
Lamini... Lanolin. Meat.
Do I not
Meat.
have that? I did not have it.
Tatami.
Minimay. Minimay? Wala. Ano yun? Walang ganun.
That's not a
Minim.
thing. It's there. It's
Meron
there.
na.
Imitating me. Kulang eh.
Imitated.
Damn it.
Mandala.
Admin?
Mandala, admin.
Adman.
Is that
Admin.
not two words? Okay, I guess it's not two words.
It's like an adman.
Okay, we're 56.
Anima. Meron na.
Manimal.
I think there was an old show titled Manimal.
Damn it.
Nope, tried that earlier. Limit,
Na walang N.
liminal. Damn it, like that. Oh, okay.
Oh.
What? What? How?
Militia.
Imam.
English is stupid.
Militia, meron ba? Meron.
Yung imam I also
Militia.
always
Militia
forget
man.
it.
Militia.
Militiaman. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Madman. Do I have Madman? I do. Tim Tam.
Mandala.
It's
Meron na.
there. Lamina. I have that.
Mainland.
Mainland.
China.
Okay.
Number 1.
Oh no. Someone has messaged me. Inland. Oh
Something
no.
about Chinatown Square.
Mammalian.
We're going to get banned.
About
Mammalian.
social credit.
Okay.
Manila. Paper.
Okay, that is acceptable. Manta. Do I have Manta?
Manta. Meron na.
Okay.
Limit. Meron na.
It's there. Where's my phone? Anti-Dalmatian.
Anti-damn.
Okay.
Alamid.
That is a Tagalog word.
Yes.
Dimin.
Milt.
Milt?
Milt.
Dimman. How many more do we need? 2? Was it 2? 56? Lime.
Limn. Diba? Limn. Meron na.
Maybe it's there. Limnal. Nama. Mama.
Man.
Matilda. Man-made. Mid-tail. Maintain. I have
Data.
Data man. Data mill.
Page 2, page 2.
Mini mid. A small voice suddenly joined up. Page 2, page 2. Maladial. At
May mana na ba? Mana.
it will only accept double N.
Manatap. Wala.
Manatial. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can find some hints.
Sino nga yan? Si G.
May
Steve
M.
G. Steve G for the win.
Steve G. There's one I. Where's the I? It's the Imam.
Ibam yan eh.
Okay na yung L.
The D and the A
D3.
are okay. So
M na.
it's all
Ugh.
M's. It's 2 M's that are missing and they are
MI 14.
13 points. So it's probably 6 and 7. 6, 7, or 5 and 8. Okay. Uh, do I have to count? 4, 8, 11,
Mai Tai.
15.
Mm.
Isn't that two words? 20,
May dash siya.
19. Okay.
Mania.
They're, okay. They're both MA. So one more MA is missing. It should be an 8. Uh,
Manimal. Sinabi niyo na yun kanina.
Maidland. Ma.
Maldita.
Did I say it has to be an 8? 256. Okay, it has to be an 8. Mainland, maintain, I don't want to go to Steve.
Mami. Mamalan.
Main Mall. Hindi,
Main
joke lang.
Mall.
Doon sa main, di sa annex.
Sa car park.
Mall. Main mind. Mall land. Main dial. Main dial. Main. Okay. I give up.
Mand.
Uh, Bilis.
Kilang go.
Before I give up. Mandela.
Mantilla.
Mantilla. That's not enough letters.
That's 8.
Mantilla. Okay, that is 8. Okay. What is a mantilla?
I don't know. Sounds correct.
A traditional.
Oh, it's a
Oh, I
cloth.
think we've seen this before.
Yung pala tawag doon.
Okay.
Mantel, parang ganun.
I will
Oh.
put this in my list.
Yun yung Tagalog.
Mga recent entries in my lists. Gamin. Novation.
Liturgical lace or
Skua.
silk.
Gamitin mo ba in your daily life?
Ducat. Why not? You gamin. Okay.
Gamin.
Let's try the crossword. It's just a Wednesday.
Without cry.
Oh, he's late.
Hamon na siya.
Landon who ran against FDR in 1936. Big dust up. What is this? All that.
Jazz.
Okay, this one is from
Sue.
Wicked.
Sue. No?
TSU?
Philip.
Is
The
it
SOO.
SOO?
He's from Hamilton. She's from Hamilton.
Hamilton. I knew she was from somewhere. I guess this is ASAP.
Same. Same lang yun.
Balcony section.
Oboe. Hindi.
Okay, let's go back to that. Alter in a way as a waistband.
Stretch.
It doesn't fit. Does it? It does not. Expand. One making calls informally. I guess this is ref.
Okay.
It may be big or bright. Star?
Star?
Wikipedia's logo is a globe. Is it a globe?
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw.
Kasi
All-
jazz na yung taas eh.
all
that
that
jazz.
jazz.
Ayaw
Oh.
maniwala eh.
Adu. Yung 10.
Hullabaloo. Idea. In a Zen state.
Zen.
Zag. Okay.
Zag.
Ago. Big dust up. Oh, okay. Kind of dish. Petri. Longs for. Yearns. I don't know.
Pines?
Pines for. Okay, that does work.
Hula lang.
Juices. Juices are twos. Might be wants.
Sure.
Wants for. That kind of works. comes to Wakes,
Weeks.
Weeks.
little dust up. Abbreviation at the bottom of a business letter.
Ano, yung mga
Esquire,
LTD. Mga ganun. Okay.
global club with only 8 members, each of which appears in circled letters with its country code. Okay. Let's get back to that. Not at all. No.
No.
No. Okay.
No
Michelin product.
worries.
It's a
Hindi.
tire. Cinco de
Mhm.
Mayo birth. Center. What is the abbreviation? CTR or CEN?
CTR.
CTR.
CTR, yeah.
Wait. Okay, I'll do that later. Donations, alms. How you might feel after a marathon? Tired.
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 Well,
3-player card game. This is
Ano,
Tong Eats. I don't
tong
know.
eats.
Okay, this is Greta Gerwig. Okay, so that's Germany. Dog in the Thin Man, cousin of a flugelhorn.
A trumpet. Hindi.
Serpentine, tribe of the Colorado Plateau. Otoe? I'm not sure where they are. Result. Japanese Airlines hub is
Narita.
one of the Tokyo ones.
Haneda.
yung dulo. Lagay mo.
Ay, may ano.
Motivator of a sort. I guess Narita looks better. This is probably Italy. Ghostly Pale Ashen.
Mga World Cup winners.
Okay. So this might be like LLC, and this is wrong. This is also wrong. World Cup winners.
Brawl ba yung 4?
Brazil. Okay.
Wrong.
Oh, when does it start? It starts tomorrow, the World Cup, or
Hindi ko nga alam yung
Sometime
schedule.
malapit na.
Friday?
Oo yata. Malapit na. Hindi ko rin alam.
Aren't you the sports people?
Yeah.
Umpisa pa lang
Eh,
kasi
kasi ang
group
daming
stage pa lang eh. Tapos ang
daming
daming
ik-ik eh.
dami ng kasali.
Okay,
So
this
yung mga
this
alam mong
is
papasok, mga wala silang mga kalaban
iba
Ah,
yung
yeah,
format this
they
year.
increased the number of teams.
They increase the number of teams. So yung mga
Yes.
dati nang magagaling, parang wala yung parang exciting na, ay, 3 sila dyan in one group, may matatanggal. Walang parang
Okay,
walang
so Mrs. Maisel, is she a Miriam? I'm guessing.
Miss Maisel?
Mahaba yung
Sure.
tournament pag ganyan.
Mrs. no,
Hindi.
Mrs.
Mas marami na location.
Yeah, it's like US and
Sabay-sabay
Mexico,
nangyayari
diba?
yung group stage. Pati Canada.
Mexico, US, Canada.
Okay,
North
awards
America,
for Shohei
basically.
Ohtani and Caitlin Clark. Caitlin
Ah,
Clark is
2010?
WNBA
Basketball.
and
Ano yun, Rookie of the
Shohei is
Year?
baseball.
Rookie of the year.
Baseball.
Okay,
Hindi na kasya.
isip kayo who
Hindi
won the
eh.
World Cup in
Espanya.
2010?
ESPNs?
2010, Espanya.
Oh,
SPs,
SPs,
SPs.
SP.
Okay, I guess this is Miriam. It's a gay
Gay.
Evie.
Stereotypical dog's name.
Pantay.
No. Okay, balcony
Fluffy.
section is a lodge. Fluffy slippers. Foot warmers. Residents for visiting the I don't know. Anti-smuggling group. ATF? No, that's tobacco and firearms. Oh, that might work. Never mind. Let's get back to that. Feast offering. What is this? Iomi? Lomi?
Luau.
Notes of appreciation.
France na yan.
in online parlance. T-wise? Afraid? Let out? Is this like Blair
Blair?
House?
Blair?
Arj yan, Arj.
Mm,
War
Really?
God, okay.
War God.
War
Okay.
God.
Money market account figures. Rates. Lose a water
Rates.
balloon site. Say. Get wet.
Uro siguro yung 36.
Uruguay.
Uruguay. Studio sign. Is this just etc.? Uru. Taurus.
Taurus, yes, they are May birthdays.
Online. Okay, this is
On air.
Kickstarter.
26 on air.
On air.
Mm,
Bitmore Estate. Some mattresses. Spring?
mm.
Not at all. Not at all. Mamaya yan. Batter's position. At, no? At home? Little dust up. Spat? Batter's position. Keep adding to a heap.
Standing.
Pile up. Motivator of a sort. Burger. No.
Hoosier. Nudger.
Nudger. Okay.
Ay, no wish.
Reina Sofia.
Reina.
Prepare in a way as zucchini.
Dice. Slice.
Thousands.
Grape.
Julien.
G's. G's. Subtle difference. Cousin of a... Okay, what is this?
Ay, turret. Hindi.
Utes. Only player on 3 victorious teams. Is this Pele? Was he on 3 different teams?
Talaga ba? Parang
3
Brazil lang siya.
victorious teams. Baka squads lang yun. Hindi ka pwede lumipat kasi
Only
bansa mo
player
yun.
on 3 victorious teams.
Tatlong
Only
beses siya
player
nanalo
on
na iba
3.
magkakaibang squads.
Pwede pala
Kanya
yun.
siguro.
O baka,
Counted yung iba
na,
na yung squad. Every World Cup naman mawawala
Let's
siguro
go.
ganun.
Wednesday,
only
di ba?
player
Hump day.
on 3 victorious teams. Okay. Baka na ano,
Is this like a
na,
peck? Upper body ba ang peck? I don't know.
mhm.
Yun na si Wednesday.
Used one. Upon. Subtle difference is a
Nuance.
What is this? What is this? May mali dito. Pile on. Ensue.
Or Hornet.
Mm.
Really? Batter's position.
Oh,
Born in Haiti. I think it's cornet.
Stance.
cornet. Oh.
What is this?
Prepare.
University of Maryland. 3-player card game. Dog in the Thin Man.
Asta? Is it a dog? Asti?
I think it's a name.
Oo nga eh.
Baka mali itong estate. I just guessed it. Some mattresses. Is this the last part? Okay, this is not at all. No wish. You wish. No. What is this? If it's S, no wise. No
Yung
whisk.
30 down. Some mattresses.
Some mattresses.
30 down.
3-player card game.
We don't know.
No, what's that thing? Okay, never mind. Dog in the Thin Man. Some mattresses.
Zucchini. Ano ginagawa sa zucchini?
Maybe this is wrong. Oh, pwede palang auto eh. If ganyan.
Estado. Joke. Ano? Baltimore? Ay, hindi. Ano yun? Britmore? Ano?
Bitmore.
Bitmore.
Built
Bitmore.
more.
Biltmore.
Built.
Wait.
Pangit yung estado.
Okay, what do you do to zucchini? Di ba just slice it into circles?
You were great.
Hindi, ginigrate ba yung zucchini?
I wouldn't know.
It's gulay.
Okay,
Ini-slice
for
lang
sure,
naman, di ba?
Kickstarter is correct. Jigsaw is correct. I don't know what nudger. I mean, it's okay. Budger. That doesn't help. Fudger. Okay, not at all. No, no way, no how. No, now. What is this?
Saute.
What? Saute.
Saute the
Saute.
zucchini.
Okay, so that brings us back to Utes.
Utah. Utes.
Let's do that
Estate
again.
niya.
Sige, lagay mo yung estate. Scott yung 41.
What is that?
It's a card game.
Huh.
Literal, 3-player card game nakalagay sa taas.
Ang bridge na. Or
And then
hearts.
Asta,
Okay.
the
No
dog.
wise?
Certas.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hey, what happened?
Ito, the music.
Did you miss the music? Wait, why is it
I
like
heard
that?
it.
No wise?
No, wise.
Who says
Not
that?
at all.
Okay, we can do the MIDI. Hindi nyo pa na-try yung the MIDI. It's just a bit smaller.
It's a baby. Meron pa mini.
AC/DC.
Sunny Angel! Sunny Angel!
Why do you know this?
Meron si kitty niya.
Narrow.
Gramps.
Grandpa.
Gramps.
Ayaw mo yung
right.
narrow.
Ayaw mo yung S.
No, it could be either one. Wait, what's this? Something to
Marvin,
shoot
nalilito
at.
na ako.
Birkin. It's a bag.
It's a bag.
Bag.
This is a goal. Okay, Magic Mike. Holy.
Uy.
Annoyances. Pest. 2008 Mia.
Mama Mia. Tama si Grandpa.
See? Place
Ba,
for salt
ano?
on a
Edamame.
margarita glass. Rim.
Rim.
Case study.
With a question
Jump.
mark.
Leap. Palindromic woman's name. Eve. That's a guess. Okay, Kendrick Lamar.
Lamar. Ava.
He's the
Ada.
Soulstone.
Pwede ring Ada.
No, it's adage. Okay. Case
Law.
study. Law. Groomed as eyebrows. Waxed? Are eyebrows waxed?
Yes.
Implore. Plea. Mad Max. Candy enjoyed at the movies, perhaps, or into the movies in this puzzle.
Double M. M&M's.
M&M's.
How do I-
M&M's.
How do I write this?
M&M's.
N.
Teka lang. What is this one? Music genre for SZA Za? How is it pronounced? And Steve
SZA.
Lacy.
Ewan ko.
Maker of the Acadia SUV. Acadia. Who is this? Car
Ewan ko.
persons. Oh, mali yung plea. Okay. Urge.
Kaya pala eh. GM.
GM? Need more letters.
C.
I think
GMC, GMC.
I think we can put
GMC.
the ampersand there.
R&B.
Cool time from long ago.
Ice Age.
Oh, it's cool.
Impact.
Miami.
Impact.
Tired. Okay. This is
Tired.
Tired. Ayun na yung
Edamame.
Tired.
Baggage
Claim.
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 Glare.
Glare.
Non-GMO.
Holy Grail.
Raw. I never do this.
Walang sounds. Sayang.
Oh, hindi nyo narinig? I heard.
Naputol agad.
Wala.
I'm sorry. Next
Wala sa
time,
akin.
I'll
Meron,
play.
Nag-
meron,
ano,
meron.
Next time, I'll
naghang.
play the whole
Sobrang
thing.
ikli lang.
Naghang. Nag-buffer. Ayun.
There, did you hear it?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can do monthly. Oh, okay. What's this? I've never tried any of these. And
Ayun
the
na.
rest is
Wow.
drag. Let's do rock and roll.
Wow.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yung na next.
Okay. This is Alpha. Type of guitar for Arthur Kane of the New York Dolls. Like the crowd at a rock concert. They're hyped.
Rowdy.
Okay. Anger kasi is ire.
Hyper.
Coca-Cola's first diet soda. Hyper?
Yun.
Okay, let's do it later. Letters, magazines, etc. Frosty coating. Rhyme? 1966 song. Grabe, 1966. Golly. G. From the Peruvian mountains. Okay. Group whose members
Incan.
bring their own clubs. PGA. What did you say? Liz.
Sa Peru ba yung Inca?
Maybe, but that doesn't fit.
Okay.
Iba-ibang nandun.
Oh, Josiah, the low one is typically
Aztec.
missing from G string. Wait, what's the lowest one?
E.
E string. Okay. What is the mnemonic for the strings? It's
EADGBE.
Yadagabe. Okay. that's my mnemonic.
Eat all day, grow big easy.
Yeah, ano ba?
That's my mnemonic. Yadagabe.
Di ba? Tama, di ba? Eat all day,
Uh,
grow big easy.
wait.
Grabe, ang luma ng mga music references.
Shrug to a texter. IIDK. Music streaming service
that?
that offers pay what you can pricing. May ganon.
Oo nga.
Like a deal
Di
where you get
Napster, eh, no?
12
Pay what
12
you
albums
can.
for a penny, probably.
Baka Bandcamp.
Baka LimeWire.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what you can.
It might be Bandcamp. Okay, 1976 Ramones songs. Genesis grandson.
Si ano?
Enos?
Si Esau.
Esau? Is he a grandson? Abraham, Isaac,
Genesis.
Okay, okay.
Surely sa grandson of someone.
Baka,
Is
Hilig sila kay
sumulpot lang
Enos.
bigla.
baka Enos nga kasi pust.
I mean, doesn't necessarily mean I have a secret. I have a grandson.
I have a grandson.
Pinoy lang
Interjection
yun.
that makes I'm not
Bigla naging lolo si Roy.
drunk sound less believable. Hick. New York icon bring the sensitivities of the novel to rock music. 10-inch records typically. What they're
LP.
LP.
LPs?
I think they're EPs because L doesn't fit well here.
Sige. Pwede naman.
Bagay.
Have a pity party.
And
Boom.
playing.
Mopi. Or sige.
Airplanes. Okay. Linger on your pale blue. How old is Velvet Underground? Letter delivery letters.
We should
Unplugged.
answer this pag andyan si Cry.
We have one of our music guys here. I'm pointing
Reset.
I'm pointing at him on the screen.
Si
Sorcery.
Che Guevara.
Um,
Sige.
Modern counterpart of a man cave is a she.
Den. Joke lang.
Casual
Talaga ba?
greeting. Hiya.
Hiya.
Sorcery. I wanted to see if wizardry would fit, but I guess.
Yeah.
Glam rock.
Emo.
CBGB. Counterparts of
What is CBGB?
masochists.
Oh no.
Sadist.
Sadists. Org promoting oral health. American Dental Association.
Ooh.
Have an
Mhm.
influence on.
9 out of 10 dentist.
60 cycle. Annoying buzz from an amp.
Mind.
A hum.
See, music guy.
60 cycle.
60
Oh, 60
cycle
hertz.
mind.
60 cycle
Hit by
mind.
40 across the features. Had more than a hunch.
Yun yata galing yan. Ay, hindi.
Um,
Lou Bega. Hindi,
no.
di pala yun.
Lubay.
Competitor is rival. A or B is
Mambo
the
number
side.
5.
Gender term that
A
describes the
little bit
jack.
Monica.
Male.
Male. Okay. Totally exhausted. Priests.
Tired. Tired na naman.
This might be fathers. I don't know. Sass is
Spent.
lip. Okay, spent. Okay. App name for an errand runner.
Jorge.
Why? French
Hindi
City.
ko alam.
Racist.
We know this one. French City where Van Gogh lost his ear. He lost it at Arles. Cry would know.
I don't know.
This is Tulet.
Tulet.
Okay, we still don't know. Patti Smith she spelled that way. This
Ano ba
is
tong CBGB?
page. I don't know actually. Well, let's look it up.
Page.
CBGB. New York City Music Club. Okay. Okay. Out among
Bong.
publicly praise.
Loud.
Loud.
Okay. What Jimi Hendrix guitar was on in an iconic moment
Ah.
at the Monterey Pop Festival? What?
Was on?
I think this is
What do you mean, was
male.
on?
On Fire.
Oh, pwede.
Alma Mater.
Alma.
Burr.
I'll be your...
Crying shoulder.
Yung 17.
Mirror. Name on Bill Callahan Records until
Our reflex. Oh, ano. I'll be your mirror.
type of guitar. Bass.
Smog.
Smooth.
Medical
I
fluids.
guess.
Sarah.
Mirror na yun eh.
Hard tug. Yank. Like a crisp in HD. Andean. Pastoral poem. Ideal. Belches. Burps. AIDS. Occasion for a countdown for short. NYE. She. Shady. She. Shell. She shell.
She
At-
ship.
That
She ship?
She shock. Hindi,
I
hindi
don't
joke lang.
like it. Aggravated.
hostage. Hindi. And then,
Barely. Belonging to us. Our. Reggae forerunner. Ska.
Mhm.
Linger on your pale blue eyes. She shed.
She'd.
Dark,
Dark
arts. Acerbated. Barely. Just. Sex Pistols label. EMI. Disappearing sea name. Aral. What is this?
pwede.
Cat. Gato. Oops.
Gato.
Gato. Part of an act. Stage.
Stage.
I mean,
Scene.
oh, scene is better.
Pwedeng
Oops.
scene.
When push comes to shove. Kind of throat singing. I forget the term for this. Smelt.
Yung sa Mongolian.
Danny. Basic drum
It's
technique.
probably V.
Oh,
Tuvan.
love.
Teka lang, music guy. Basic drum technique.
Satellite of Love
Basic drum technique.
64.
Hindi ko alam. Flam? I don't know.
Italian-founded sneaker brand. What is this? Puma? Liz, what did you say? This one. Satellite
Satellite.
of Love. What is
Hindi
this?
Puma eh.
Affect tapos flan.
Affect. Flam?
Fila.
Fila.
Et al. Aurora.
Roar.
I'll be your
I'll be.
mirror. What is this? Is that a name? That's a terrible name. Glamrock is Gem.
Lou Reed.
Lou Reed. See? We didn't need Cry. Can a great American songwriter master the mini crossword? Okay.
Wala nga siyang paramdam eh.
Okay, do you guys want
Siya
to
pa
do
naman
something?
yung Gina G.
Do you guys
Line
want to
naman
do
siya.
something else? Or if not, I'll go back to spelling bees.
Sure.
Taga-ano pala eh. Tapos at Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six.
Okay.
Ayun.
He's busy with other activities.
How do you know?
There is a status in Discord.
Na status sa ano.
Sa Steam.
Oh, there's a status in Steam. Okay.
Gryffindor. Hindi. Joke lang.
Okay. I think this one only needs like 5 more. 6 more. Okay. Okay. Enforcing. No. Kifon. Coffin.
Forgo.
Forgoing. Forgo. Good job. Enforcing. That's not how it's spelled.
Griffin. Meron na.
Offing. Meron na pala.
Offing. No.
Forging. Meron na. Fogging. Meron na.
Fining. Fining? No, it's there.
Fifing.
Fifing.
So fifing hot.
Fining.
Confining.
Naalala ko na naman
Confining.
si Seamus Finnegan.
Bakit
Alright.
sino yun?
The one you misspelled.
Finnegan.
What was it? We answered like
Finnegan.
this.
Fine. Yes, Fine.
Okay.
Fini pala.
Roofing. How many do we need? We need 2 more.
Meron bang coffining? Like a verb.
Wait lang. We're at 180 minus 2. So 160 minus 2. Okay, 158. Oh, okay. Doesn't sound like a word, but okay. 158. So we need a 9. It might be
Oh
a
my
6 that we just extend with ing.
Griffining.
Coifing.
Co-
Lagyan lang ing.
Coifing?
Lagyan mo double F.
Double F.
What?
Kala ko ba 9?
9 ba dapat?
Coifing.
Sabi ni Roy.
Oh, okay. I forgot it.
Oh.
The total
Did
can
you
be off.
compute?
It can be off by 1.
Uh,
Oh, so like a couple of weeks ago, I went to the All Aboard Expo thing. There was a game being demoed there where it was like this thing we used to play. This one, is it this one? No. You know,
History?
so many bookmarks.
The one where you're sorting things. Where is it? Why do I no longer have it? Oh, is it?
History? Cetera?
Di ba ito yan?
It's
Yan?
still this one. Okay. This menu is new.
Ay, yung history.
Yeah, it was like this one,
Tapos?
except ano siya, like Philippine history
Card form.
events.
Ew,
Damn.
Philippines.
Well, they let me try it and I got like 3 out of 4 correct, so it's not so bad.
Like, pakiklip na lang yan, Josiah. Pakiklip.
Bakit?
What?
EU Philippines.
EU Philippines.
Philippines!
Children of Dune. This is book
Uy, Children of
3.
Dune.
I
For
guess it was
Pong,
after
Luma na eh.
diba?
Pong. Book
Oh,
3 na
really?
kasi siya eh. Okay, this is who
It's
knows?
very old.
Okay. Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Marie Curie. I think
472.
Before Pong?
I'm wondering if she was 1800s.
What?
Hindi.
Okay, I guess probably not. Slaughterhouse 5 was published. Oh,
Fort
that's
Vonnegut.
challenging. I think this was in the 70s.
After Pong, before Pong, we don't know.
It
Hmm.
it
Baka
might
after
it
Pong.
might be after Children of
After
Dune.
Dune pa nga eh.
After Dune?
Oh, it was
Really? Ganun siya katanda?
60s. Okay, Girl with a Pearl Earring.
Uy.
Can is this like Renaissance period? I'm not sure. It was. Okay, the MoMA, the
Eh,
Museum of Modern Art. Who knows when that opened?
Black and white pa.
No, it's modern, so we'll put it. Oh, okay, fine. How is it modern if it's
Wow.
1929? Oh, we can.
Postmodern yan.
Kasi modern is present. Hindi siya nagbabago.
Did we die?
Yes, we died.
Yes.
So it became a daily. It didn't used to be a daily. But what I guess itong free play is what we used to do. Oh, merong hard.
Okay, hard pa. What the heck?
No, let's do easy.
Damn.
How do we how does he know it's
Ah,
easy? What
baka
is the
malalaki yung gap. Hindi within the same decade siguro.
Goebbels was a Nazi, so he goes there. Oh, okay.
Before Babylon.
Pharaohs.
Pinakauna.
Wait, si Moses.
Oh.
Okay.
Lord of the
Wait,
Rings.
no.
Lalagay mo pa sa dulo, ah.
Relax.
Irish War of Independence. This was the Troubles, di ba? Pero when did the war begin?
Before Goebbels, malamang.
No, I think it's here. Kasi umabot pa sa may 70s, 80s yung may conflict sa Ireland eh. Oh, okay. I guess not. White Revolution begins. Revolution in Iran.
After World War II na siguro yan.
May white ba dun?
Ah. Aurelian becomes Roman Emperor. Okay.
After Babylon.
After Christ na yan.
Oscar Wilde.
Oh.
Does he
Victorian
go,
to eh. Di ba?
di ba
Diba?
here or
Hindi
here?
pala, hindi pala.
Feeling ko after.
Goebbels, malamang.
Look at this picture.
Hmm.
Oh, he's older.
Mm.
Oh no! He's old pala.
Uy, Chicago Bulls.
Ooh.
Okay, so the franchise
80s.
Before Lord of the Rings.
definitely
Oo.
after 63.
Oo.
Maybe.
Wala pang NBA nun. Uy,
My Little
66
Pony.
pala siya.
This would be 80s.
Ba?
Oh.
Uy. Ano yan?
Colored, HD yung HD picture niya.
Ano, mga 2010-ish.
Okay, we go here before the Libyan Civil War.
After. Sa dulo siya.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, good job.
Last,
Bago lang.
last year lang pala.
Roman,
This
no.
year lang.
Oh, si Black Widow.
Mga
Russia.
tsar ba?
The Tsars were around until right before World War One, di ba?
Oo. 1910s.
So we can put this here.
Begins yan eh.
Well.
Wala ba sila sa
Good.
Game
Kailan?
of Thrones?
It's 10.
Ang tagal pala nila.
Wait, is this 10 points? It's not.
How is the score? How does the
Kailan
scoring
yung
work?
tama?
No,
Kailan
because
yung green? Ay, hindi.
three of them we were wrong. I guess.
So nag-minus? Ewan ko.
No, one of them was the initial one, this one. So we placed 10
Baka strict
correctly.
yung bilang.
No, we placed 10 correctly.
Mm.
Anyway, Let's get back to this. How many is missing here? Oh, we finished this one already. Liz, your name is still here. I I haven't beaten that word yet.
Nationalization.
Nationalization.
Okay.
Toilet.
Do I not have toilet? Okay, I do have toilet.
Meron na. Do you have toilet?
Toilet.
Oy,
Lotion.
very good.
What did you say,
Pauni.
Josiah?
Ay, meron na.
Lotion.
I'm not going to miss that. Towel, towelet. Okay.
Outlet. Meron na.
No, no, noon, none, no. Okay. Ilan to? 47 out of 57. There's 10 more?
Nonet. Etoile.
Do
Di
I
ba ano
have...
yun? French?
Oo nga eh.
Newton
know-
ba?
Etoile.
Pwede yung Newton. It's there. Alam mo, I did like one lesson in French in Duolingo. Parang I don't remember anything
Tinuruan ka pa na
anymore.
yung kumain ng apple.
No. Yung words that were like boy, I guess mahirap yung apple. Like boy, girl. Walang bakla tomboy.
Leonine.
Do I not have that?
Walang bakla.
I have that.
Ayun o, number 3.
Hmm.
Meron.
Into. Intention. In.
Tonton.
What's our target? 218. Oh, it's a ways away. So,
Sampu pa eh.
yeah, but they're kind of long. They're longish.
Neo toilet.
Low town. What did you say, Josiah?
Meron bang tuni?
We're tiny. We're toony.
We're
We're
all a
all a
little.
We're
little
all a
loony.
little loony.
I already had that one. Eton. Elon. Woolly.
Yan na.
Ayun na si
Ay,
Christ.
Sa
Tiger.
wakas.
Yan na. Rainbow
We're
6.
done.
Oh,
Rainbow 6.
Hello, Rainbow Six.
the
Ini, outie. Tonile.
Tonight. Tabloid.
Abante.
Tabloid.
Abante tonight.
Neon. It's there already. Neonite.
Intone.
Intone. Okay, root ng intonation.
lang, check ko yung ano.
Awi. Wala bang awi?
Awi.
Wowie.
Double. Baka dalawang W.
Awi.
Olio. I have both of those.
Ollie.
Oli, I have that also.
Wonton.
Lepton.
Wonton. Mabigat yan.
Mabig.
That's a joke from like the year
Tonelada.
2000.
Wonton.
That's a joke from the year
Try said
2000.
Kumain kasi kami
something.
ng wonton
It's in the
kanina
logs
eh.
of
Kaninang
the-
lunch.
Tongue-in-cheek.
Oh.
Cry, did you say something?
Hindi, i-list out ko lang yung mga na-try ko lang. Pwede ko mahanap. Kailan to?
Oh, this is last Saturday.
Saturday.
Are you doing these daily?
When I can. Pero di religiously.
Elliot,
Hindi ko nakuha na
Lloyd.
din ninyo lahat.
Loan. Walt.
Page 2.
No.
Tutti.
We
Wala
know.
tuloy ako.
We know.
Anong sinasabi ng mga
Ah,
matatanda
Wood.
pag
Wood,
pag
tsaka
nagugulat
Woolen.
sila?
Parang wala ka pa.
Anong
Wood.
sinasabi nila, Josiah?
Sa inyong lugar,
W-O-O-T.
ano yung sinasabi ng
That's not
matatanda
a
pag
real word.
nagugulat sila?
Want.
What? Wait,
Wala
wait,
ka
wait,
pa.
wait.
Ay, wala ka na pala.
Anong sinasabi ng mga matatanda pag nagugulat sila? What?
Hindi siya joke, nagsasurvey ako.
Akala ko joke, tas nandyan.
We know.
Lord.
May i-correct
Hindi
ko.
ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam.
Kabayo.
Tayo.
Minsan, ano,
Ay, kabayo.
minsan
Ganun.
vulgar eh.
Ganyan. Kasi may one time nasa bus kami, pa Batangas. Tapos may umakyat na group. Tapos nadulas. Ang sabi mo naman, ay ute ng matanda.
Oh my God, we are being recorded!
Reminder, we are being recorded. We're not bleeping anything.
Ano?
We might get
Alala ko
demonetized.
lang
No,
eh.
I don't know. how
Kakasabi
to-
ko lang, vulgar yung iba eh.
Matanda yung nagsabi nun. Or
Mga
ba?
middle-aged woman.
Okay, we need like 3 more.
Bakit specific?
Tapos parang napadouble. What?
Bakit kailangan sa matanda?
Oo nga,
Three
napaka-specific.
more, and there's only 16 points remaining. So I think there has to be a 4. What is the 4 that I'm missing?
Pwede
Ano,
5, 5,
page
6.
1, page 1 mo nga.
Ute tuloy.
Toilet.
Toilet, no. Toilet na walang T. T-O-I-L-E. Wala ka pa.
What?
Yeah.
Basta
It's a
doon,
craft. It's a kind of craft. It's a fabric. Okay, ibang
Canvas.
iniisip ko.
Oh wait, I think I've listed this one before.
It's in your código.
Mm.
Oh, tingnan mo, French siya, oh.
Chua.
Hmm.
Chua.
Okay.
Tole ata yan. Tole.
Meron na bang konji?
Yes, it's already added to the dictionary.
Oh my
Wow.
God, finally.
Okay, we have 11 points remaining, so it has to be a 5 and a 6.
Lento.
Okay, that's a music thing.
Yes.
So,
Ah,
6.
Yan ako.
Pwede rin 5 bitin.
Woolen?
pwede ding 5. Meron
Yeah,
din
yeah.
woolen.
The letter.
Tonto.
I think nakuha mo na.
Okay, let's just check what the missing letter is.
Tanana.
3, 11, 9. That's a lot of counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.
3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9. Okay.
Excuse me.
7 and 8. Where am I? 7 and 8. So it has
It's
to
a
be a
T.
T, a 5 or 6.
T na 5 or 6.
Teton, that's a mountain. Telu.
Tenon.
Tenon. Right.
What's that?
Woodwork.
What's that?
Sa
Woodworking. Oh.
Okay, let's look it up. I've looked it up before, but it's easy to
Yes.
forget the
Kapit,
meanings.
nakakasabay niya yung word.
It goes with the Mortis.
Yeah.
That's right. This is also on the list. Okay.
Edgar Mortis.
Cry, we did. Cry, do you do the monthly bonus puzzles? We did the rock and roll one earlier.
Hindi nga eh. Hindi nga.
Never.
Yung daily lang.
Real.
Okay.
Monthly pala siya.
Yeah. Okay. I don't really want to do the rest is drag. Well, okay, fine. No, let's do that
Wait for Cherry.
when we have
May
Cherry.
lima kang
here.
choices.
Parang napilitan ka.
And the Oscar goes to...
Oscar. Oh.
Okay.
Nahiya ka pa. Oh.
Genre for Nickel Boys. I think this was a drama.
Drama.
Abyss is like a chasm. This one is Dana Carvey. Unwilling to adapt. Stubborn. Oh, darn.
Inert.
Rigid.
Rigid. The Adventures of Someone March. Lift Alternatives. Cabs.
Cabs.
The Hurt Locker. In Years Past Ago. Walk Like a Crab. Seidel. Seth Meyers.
Myers.
Ogie
Is it spelled
March.
like that? It's
Adrian
spelled like
Brody
that,
ba
diba?
yan?
Mhm.
Yeah, I think so.
Adrian Brody. This is too easy for us.
Hmm.
Haha.
Guillermo del
Limo.
Toro.
Steep beverage. Tea. Make
T.
public. Post.
Pause.
Les Miserables. Asset for one composing a musical score. Ear. Nickname found in 3 consecutive letters of the alphabet. Stu. Okay, who is this? I'm Still Here co-star nominated for Best Actress. We don't know. A
Hmm.
Cool Mill.
Is it a Veronica?
Monica Torres, pwede.
It might be like
Pass up.
Jermaine. I don't know.
Sure.
Notorious Roman Emperor. Nero. He's burning Rome.
Yeah.
Like the fate of star-crossed lovers in films like Casablanca. They are sad. This is Simu Liu.
Sad fate.
Oscar Hopeful's Hope. Award?
Hmm.
Like phrases designating places or things. Nounal? Is that a word?
No.
32 down. Check mo muna. Woolly characters are used. Yeah. Word nga. No, null, I guess.
Rupee?
No,
Current
null.
Yeah, rupee.
Film for which, okay, what's the title of this one?
Complete unknown.
Right. A complete
Unknown.
unknown.
Biological bag is a sack. Micah. I'm for me to hand out.
Can do.
Candy.
Oh, repeat
Ganda.
symbol on a musical score.
I forgot.
Music people.
Stoma.
No.
Ba, opening sa dahon mo.
Kasi
Ano yung
I think this one is rated R.
like,
Okay. Basta makukuha mo rin yan, mamaya.
You might watch movies on one.
iPad.
On one hand.
Virtual commercial containers. Slumdog.
Slumdog.
Upton Sinclair.
Oil.
Oh,
Oil. That's oil.
Gabi. The literate one. Near far wherever you are,
Dion.
I believe that the heart
Does.
Tas. Okay.
is
Does.
it
Kantahin mo.
does? Hindi ba
Kantahin
will?
mo.
Kantahin mo.
Di ba my
Kantahin mo
heart
nga.
Sige,
will
kantahin mo nga.
my heart will go on. I don't want to
Oh,
sing on
hindi.
the
Sige.
Yung,
That line is das.
yung sa stanza, oh.
Simulan mo, Cry.
I don't want to sing on record. That's not how you sing. Okay.
Hindi, kasi flute
Intro pa
yung
siya
intro
eh.
nun, di ba?
May
Oo,
flute
intro
muna
pa lang.
Okay,
Oo, intro
so
pa lang.
ilan yung nominations ng Wicked and The Brutalist? We don't know.
10.
1, 2, 10 lang naman.
Okay, film for which Colman Domingo was nominated for Best Actor. I just know he's in Euphoria.
Desirable trait for someone attending a red carpet.
You might watch the Oscars on them.
TVs.
Plural, okay. Kissing by the Lockers, PDA. Eke Out a Win. Irene who sang 1980's Best Original Song Fame in 1983. Flashdance. What?
Kara.
With a C or a K?
I'm not sure.
Ano yung 60 down?
Clue.
Clue! World War One.
Was it?
Yeah. Polo competitor.
So much. Musical comedy thriller nominated for 13 Oscars, winning 2. Mamaya na yan. Okay, this
Comedy
one is
thriller.
Demi Moore. What the substance is in the substance. Is this a spoiler? Okay, Cynthia, what's her name?
Erivo.
Erivo.
Erivo. Okay. Make a film ready for an audience. Edit. Place for caravans to stop and rest. Oasis. Word you don't want to see describing your red carpet look. Bad.
vaped. Jur- legal or
Dated.
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 What is this one? iPad? I don't know.
Izod.
Ah,
Izod.
Izod.
Ano to?
Emilia Perez. Emilia
Emilia,
Perez.
Emilia.
Okay. Guillermo del Toro. Alien. No.
Short film with a space in its title. That spells an earlier one word. What?
Nanalo yung Alien eh. Ng ano.
Ah.
Maybe not.
Tuko 5. Anora? Elon? Okay. Snark.
Fernanda.
Fernanda.
Pass
Forgo.
up. For
What is this?
virtual commercial containers like banners or offer
Add
walls?
units.
Okay. Release
Pope.
figure of price
A
gain
done it.
of play.
Ewan. And
One might be
iPad
spoiled.
nga.
Do it this way. Like so. Garden shovel speed. Run without moving.
Naomi.
Naomi.
Oh, rated G. Okay.
Naomi Watts.
Nemea.
Nemiya. Winning an Oscar and winning are ambitious ones. Aim. Okay. What
Okay.
might be traded for
Zero.
that?
Oh
Zero.
no.
Oh.
Did I make a typo
Ano yan?
somewhere?
Baka. Sige, isa-isahin mo.
Baka yung Alien.
Wow.
Baka. Ano yung across 17?
Eton.
Kasi I think it should be Eton. Pero what is this?
No, Elon yan, Elon. May ganun na college sa US. But maybe it's not Dana. Ano yung 11 across?
That's Dana Carvey.
Okay. Baka hindi Fernanda. Or ano yung 11 down? Del Toro, no?
Yes.
Ano to, Segno?
Stenyo.
Where is it?
46
Yung repeat
across?
symbol. Yung repeat
Tenyo.
symbol.
I guess. It's just a sign. Means a sign.
What's 44 Cosa Nostra?
Wait, what is this? The heart does go on. Segno. Cosa Nostra is correct, right?
Yes.
Sing Sing is a
Sing
movie, di ba?
I guess. Tama yung oil, I'm sure of that. PDA, Spade Idol, Nemiya.
Drat, Ride, Agra, Me, Adept, Adrian. I always forget that. He's not an Adrian.
Adrian.
Parang The Calling.
Skillful.
Adrian.
I thought I knew you.
The Calling.
Hoy, 5 lang yung
5
kulang.
pa.
Acid. Antacid. Walang A.
Wait. Ano to? Sunday?
Akasha. Meron na.
Sunday.
Tama mo, may Akasha ka na.
Oh, naalala ko
Kasha.
siya minsan.
Addict.
Addict! Addictive. No?
Acid. Addict.
Cicada, meron.
Civic.
Civic. That's it. No, wait.
Syudad.
Adduct.
Tatlo pa.
Didactic.
Didactic, yeah.
Anong sinabi mo,
May
Cole?
Adduct.
Like that?
With the double D's.
Acid.
Adduct?
Adductors.
I don't know what that is.
Viaduct. There you go.
To adduct.
To draw towards the median axis. Okay, so hinihila sa gitna.
As opposed to, ano nga yung kabila nun? Extend ba? Or something?
Deduct.
Hindi sa exercising, may adductor tsaka
I learned something
May
new.
adductor
Abductor.
muscle and something
Okay.
else.
Abductor.
Oh, parang ganun. Oh, tama, tama.
Okay.
One
It should be a 5 or a 6. Cutic, catic, cadic, tacit. I have tacit.
Hmm.
Valid.
COVID.
Atik, atik. Wala
COVID,
pa rin.
COVID.
Man, I always forget attic. Such a weirdly spelled word.
Lagay mo na yun eh. Tacit, tactic, tapos
They go together.
atik. Oo.
Oh, we're about almost caught up. I was going to do the catching up earlier with the hints and everything, and I was like, no, I'll make other people work for me. Just kidding. But yes. Booded. Nope. Bood. Nope.
Oboe.
Ayun na.
Oboe!
Obode? No.
Objected. Meron na.
COD.
No, I tried that. They don't like it.
Bobbed.
Meron bang seceded?
Bob. Letter S yun.
SE. Yan.
Right.
Di
Secede.
ba tatulad?
Might as well.
Ang dami.
Di ba meron kayong favorite ball sport na ginagawa ng mga matatanda?
Bocce?
Starts with a B.
I forgot about it.
Bocce the Rock.
Starts with a B.
Bocce the Rock.
Decided.
Is that a thing? It's not a thing.
Booty!
That spelling should
Oh,
not be
yeah.
allowed. Okay, this is 47.
Co-ed.
11 pa.
Could.
Co-ed.
Okay, it's already there. Bejected.
Utang.
Debted. Ah! Oh, indebted kasi. Bedded. I have that. Betted. That's not the
Decoct.
word. Decoct. Decock. Jobbed. Do I have jobbed? I have jobbed. Jebbed. I jebbed.
BETE. Try mo BETE.
That's not English.
Or BETTE.
Ano yung Betamax?
Still not English.
Deed.
Botted.
Bead?
Deed. Like a deed. Indeed.
Okay. Deeded.
Deeded.
Ano tayo? 47? Still a ways away. Dode.
The ebb.
Odd-
The
odd
ebb and the
job.
flow. Ebbed.
Jobs.
Boob job. Hindi pwede.
Wala E. May ginawang verb.
Boob job.
Do I have boobed? That should be a word.
Jetted. Ay, meron na.
Botted.
Jeet.
Cotted.
Jete.
What did you say called? Jeet?
Oh,
Jet.
ano?
Jete.
J-E-T-E.
Jete.
Jeté. Is it a
French,
jeté?
What is that?
Or is it a jeet?
Isa jump. Isa
Is
ballet jump.
Is that not French? Oh,
Ah, it's a jeté.
I don't ballet, so I don't know. I'm writing
I
this
guess-
down.
Kanina eto di ba?
Is that also ballet? Is that
Etwa.
where I know it from?
Alin yung eto?
Uh,
Yung fabric.
Etwa.
no,
Toile.
see,
Etwa. Is it etoile?
I typed this earlier. It's a shirt.
Wow.
Ano yung fabric kanina?
No,
Toile lang.
Toil lang, toil. Walang E.
At
Without
toil
any-
pala yung toil.
Toile.
Toil lang, toil.
Twa.
A star or
Twa.
Twa.
a principal
Isa kang
dancer in
twa.
a ballet company.
Isa kang twa.
Okay, dotted. Debut.
Octet.
Octet.
Yeah.
Dalawa na lang.
Debut. Hindi pwede.
Debut.
Ano size?
Dotted.
Did you say size?
Nung words na kulang.
Ano size? Large.
Anong size?
Medium lang.
214. So
214.
7 or
So,
8 in
dalawa ba
total.
kayo
There has to be a
na
4. What did you say,
May
Cole?
piece.
Teed.
What did you
Teed
say?
like a goal. Like in golf.
What did you say, cry?
Dati tinatanong ko si Liz kung nasa Davao sila ngayon.
Wala ka kasi kanini.
No.
This is what you get for being late. You don't get a recap.
So,
Okay, so we're looking for a 6 or a 7. 6, 7.
Bed.
What?
Tooted. The
Tooted
horn.
your own horn.
Okay, we haven't needed Steve G because there's 4 of us. There's 5 of us. I know
We
how
used to need
count.
him din naman.
We used to be.
5 heads are better
We haven't
than
needed him
one.
today. I need him sometimes when I'm alone.
Aww.
This one has a lot. Nonilion. Yung Nonilion, parati ko na siyang nakikita. Basta meron yung, yung lion.
Basta may lion. Basta may lion meron nun.
Okay.
Mga tanong ko nito eh.
Next page.
Pangram nito.
Do I have a pangram?
Hindi. The other day ba to? Tuesday pala.
I don't have a pangram.
Uy,
Wala pa.
Wala. Fling. Hindi pwede.
That's not a pangram.
Non-filling.
Fiction. Non-fiction. Hindi. Non-file. Hindi.
Non-filing.
So, yan ang page 1 mo?
Okay, so aside
Lo-fi.
from the ing, we have felon. So it's fellow. So feloning, that's not a word.
Hello.
Nakapang eggnog.
God
Lagyan
damn
mo ing lahat.
Eggnogging.
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 Nogging.
Oh, nogging.
Noggin.
Feloning.
Foil.
Foiling.
I already have all of those.
Gigolo. Google.
I don't have that one. I have that one.
Goggle.
Googling.
May gawin
Goggle.
na yan.
Yan yung mga kakamukha. Goggling. Googling.
Logging.
Gogging.
Noggin.
Gogging?
Non.
That's not a word.
Na meron ko na, no. No, without the G. Goggin.
Walton Goggin.
The actor?
Noggin.
Singular Walton Goggin.
Non. Offing. Offline meron ka.
Saan niyo siya kilala? Si Walter, Walton? Si Walton?
Ant-Man.
Hateful Eight.
I think sa Ant-Man ko rin siya unang na-recognize eh. It's the second one, right?
Oo, second one.
Tingnan
Oh,
sa second page mo.
Line.
Glue.
Igloo.
Of lining. What?
Info.
Ogle. Ogling. Oleo.
I feel like the
And that's
pangram
all
is
I
going
have.
to be some
Like like
compound
something
word.
lifelong.
Compound.
Compound word.
Lifelong.
Lifelonging.
Lifelonging.
Okay, we are at 57 out of 65. 505
Dami pa.
of
Ulong tea.
I always forget that also.
Cool.
Oglio. Ogle. Ogling.
Legion.
Leonin ka na ba dito?
Leonin ni Josiah. Ayan.
Is it not there? I forgot it this time.
No
5
lie.
pa.
What?
4 pa. Ilan pa?
I already forgot.
Dami pa yata.
5.
5 pa.
Goon.
Login. Login user.
282.
login user. Return true.
Mm-mm.
I never think of that kasi I never know if it's one word or two.
Login.
Like even in
Range
the
two.
If it's a noun, ata, if it's a noun, it's one word.
even in like the systems we used to make, sometimes the screen would be login screen, sometimes it's login screen.
Login screen.
Alright.
Do I have lol and lolling? I do.
Lol.
Logo.
Noel.
Well, oh I almost
Logo.
forgot that as well.
Try, since
The
tinanggap
first
man login, try
Noel.
na natin yung log.
What did you say? Cry.
Log on.
Log on.
Logon.
Log off. Okay.
Ongle.
Baka,
Fongle.
baka log out yung meron.
Yeah, baka.
OG.
Gillian. OG.
What is an OG?
I think it's a kind of butter.
OG. Sa ellipse siya, di ba?
No, it. Oh,
Ah, hindi.
okay.
App OG yun, di ba?
No,
Apo
it's
G
a
pala.
curve.
Tsaka Perry G.
I see.
Ano yung iniisip kong term that's like a kind of butter?
Ghee. Ghee.
Ah, right.
Ah.
It's clarifying butter.
Oo nga.
Glio.
Unlife now.
Ollie.
Ay.
Isa na lang. 282. So it's a 5 or a 6.
Mm,
Luffy.
Folio.
Folio. Pwede. Oh, it's already there.
Loof.
Floof? That's not a
Floof.
real word.
Floof.
Ano
Goof.
naman?
Meron.
Neologism.
No!
Fong.
Neology. Hindi, meron na. Wala pala. Bawal.
Okay, let's look at what letter it is. It's probably an L. Just from the counts. 1. Do we have a 1?
15.
Oh, it's the eggnog.
There's a 1.
10, 15, 2.
10, 15.
It's an F. No, it's not an F.
15.
Okay,
2.
10, 15, 2. 17, 7, 13. Okay, doon tayo sa 7 and 13. Mas madali bilangin. Oops. Wait. Ah, ito pala yung 7.
6 lang yung N.
Ah, it's an N. And did I say how many?
Non-something.
Wait, this is the exact one.
Non,
282. So
non-feeling.
it's a 6. It's a
non-feeling?
6. It's a 6. It's a 6.
Oh.
No line.
Noel na babae.
No.
Noel na babae.
Non-file. Non-lie.
Non-lie. It's the truth. Non-G.
Non-G.
No fine. No wise.
Noni?
No.
Noni?
What? Noonie.
Noogie.
Nugi.
Noogie. That's a
Ay,
terrible word.
Yung ano, yung parang pag hineheadlock
Inuutosan.
ka. Oh, yan.
Okay, let's. Wow, there's a lot of these. Let's do. Okay.
One every month. Come on.
No, I didn't know they had it for so long. Let's do
Ano ang start?
2015.
2020, 2015.
Whoa, really?
1997 yung start. Oops.
Oh, wow, dami.
Okay, let's do Indian Independence
Kahit
Day.
araw-arawin mo eh.
Dahil
Oh, we have 2 music guys now.
burger.
Excuse me.
Okay, it's
May burger, may fries.
okay. Want fries with that?
Price.
Pumpkins are in October. Pop art maybe.
All the what's in
Sorts.
order?
Sorts.
Sorts. Place third. Lose? So,
Paano yung second?
Importante yung
baka,
third eh.
baka
The
may
second is the first loser.
muscle
Ba?
pa.
Oh.
EMT's procedure, CPR. Cold beverage with a burger. Cola. Podrida. Ewan. Put on
What is
a
this?
long
This
word
doesn't
on
work.
a gift tag. Free.
Free? Free size?
Free. That's Rara avis.
What is that?
Rare bird. Literally.
Ranks.
Belarus SSR.
Mali yung free. From.
Order
From.
Mayo.
Out.
Ikaw.
Places third in a horse race. Still don't know.
Lagyan mo ng S sa
Saturday
ulo.
Night Live.
Live.
Hindi
14
necessarily na
down.
may S eh. Pulp Fiction.
Pulp.
Costa del Sol? No, sa FF7.
Sol.
yun.
Mar. Costa del... Ay, pwedeng Sol din pala. May Costa del Sol.
Costa del Rey.
Meron.
This is Oslo. So,
Oslo.
Costa del Sol na.
Costa del Sol. Yeah.
Oo, nasa Spain yan.
No,
Or
it's
somewhere
in,
there.
It's in the Corel
York.
region.
Ayorta.
It's in the Coral region.
Heads, I win. Burger Flippers,
Spatula.
Spatula.
Chula.
TV Chef,
TV
pitches
Chef.
BAM Burger Hamburger Seasoning. Burger chain with the Where's the Beef ad campaign.
Wendy's.
Wendy's. Sir, this is a
Or-
Wendy's. We aim,
We aim to
please.
We to please. Slow.
Emeril yung 31.
So, okay.
Show.
Emeril.
E-R-M.
Emeril.
Eme!
Emeril.
Like Nash's Llama?
1L.
Okay.
Beirut is Lebanon.
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 Burger topper,
Burger.
onion.
Topper.
Spikes, a sponge.
Spikes.
Rad. Laces.
Laces.
Lace.
Wall Street
Wall
Wizards are
Street
CPAs.
Wizards.
No?
Maybe.
Side with the burgers.
Side with a burger.
Accountants.
Perry Mason. That's Perry Mason.
May kalaban siyang Hamilton Burger. Hamilton Burger.
Yeah. Si Hamilton Burgers, the DA.
Wall Street Wizards are... Mamaya na.
Namang S yung dulo nun.
Ano yung 29 down?
Some...
Hoffman. So that's Abby. Abby Hoffman.
Like that?
I guess.
Founder ng Wendy's. Oh, it's not a guy named... It's not a girl named Wendy.
Ring.
I'm disappointed. Test
Test
for
for
proper fit.
proper.
Dave. Si Dave. Yung 44.
Dave Thomas. Dave Wendy's.
Oo.
I
Kasi may
say
Dave's Burger sa sa Wendy's.
Levar.
Navarre.
Oh,
Or the Ramparts.
okay.
Brief periods.
Try
on.
Try.
Works
Works on a
ye
shop.
old
The old.
mini burgers. Anong tawag dito?
Sliders.
Slider.
That's right. Canes River. Air
What's
quality
down for
monitor
48
is
down?
the EPA.
EPA.
Popeyes Hamburger. Si Wimpy. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday
LCD.
For a hamburger today.
for a hamburger.
LCD.
Alaskan Gold Rush City. No.
No.
This is a brand.
Veggie burger brand. One of
Okay.
7 deadly sins.
So there's Lust, and
Mhm.
I'm thinking of
Dryer yung pababa.
I'm thinking of
And so envy yan.
Envy. Okay.
Envy,
Envy.
envy. Dryer yung pababa.
I'm still going through the
Don't
Full
know.
Metal Alchemist characters in my head.
Last to.
What?
Diner. Tavern in the same fictional city as Moe's. The commuter's option.
Rail?
Ah,
Cylinders.
The
the
chum
8
bucket yun.
cylinders.
Hindi naman Krusty
Bagoong.
Krab eh.
Bacterium that may taint hamburger meat. E. coli. Suffix.
Hydroxide? Oxide? Yeah. Submissions to an editor. Battle of Hamburger Hill Local. Elvis. Essay ata yan eh.
It has to be a plural eh. Well, okay, let's leave it there. This is a debutant.
Ano yung
Danica
68 down?
Patrick.
What microcrystalline cellulose listens on burgers really is? Frozen treat. Some Grand Prix
I see. Yep.
licensing org.
EMI. Hindi.
EMI kasi is a label eh, di ba?
Oh,
Okay, let's get
Parang
back to that.
publishing.
On
About.
or about
or about
Patty Melt, Dark
Yeah.
Planet Beyond Pluto,
Aries.
Ink Marts.
Ink Marts.
Hagen of Stage and Screen, Hagen Dazs.
Uta Hagen.
Itong bathroom picture, what's a 2? Mali ba itong onion?
That's a
Baka tab.
tab. Oh,
Tab.
hindi onion. Hindi
Bacon.
onion.
Bacon.
A stem,
As
glop.
Glop.
or
Okay,
Okay na
BMIM.
lang.
ABCD.
Oh.
B.
ABCD.
No, I think it's B. Body mass index.
What's 46?
Ubus na.
Hindi yan na may problem.
Naubos na.
Something
Ew,
else.
no. Yung nay. Ano yung nay sa pababa? 68.
Nae.
Battle of Hamburger
Tama ba
Hill. That's Nam ata eh. Nam?
Hindi.
What's MSS?
Submissions to an editor.
Scripts?
Manuscript.
I've never
MSS.
I've never
Okay.
seen that abbreviation.
Oh, nga.
Okay, this is today. Nagawa mo na ba yung today? You're going to get spoiled.
I tried, pero hindi ko rin nakuha yung pangram yan. Wait, let me open.
Hindi mo nakuha, it's munching.
Homing. Meron na.
Chiming. Ching.
May chiming ka na. Yes. Chin. Yes. Chinning. Yes. Kinch or cinch. Cinching. Yes. Hogging. Yes. Honcho. Yes. That's it. That's all I have.
That's all you have?
Yeah.
You didn't try very hard.
I did not.
Okay, we don't know how many words this
Choo
is.
choo.
Pero it's 134.
34.
So it's 7 or 8
Kunti na
yung
lang.
natitira. Choo choo, that is an 8. But no.
Hooching.
Hooch. Yeah. Hooching. Ho Chi Minh.
Ganda.
Cooch.
Hooch bamboo.
Kuchi bamboo.
Coach Bamboo.
Gooch. Parang vulgar word yun.
Gucci. Ay, Nochi. Was this no? Okay, this is the same one where I put that.
Well,
Meron na.
earlier.
Ito yan yung kanina.
Yes, I'm sorry. We've circled back.
Non-homing.
Non-homing
Non-homing missile.
pigeon.
Homing ka ba? Meron na.
Maganda yung sa akin missile. Kaya sa akin pigeon. Mas violent yung akin.
Minihog.
Coho. Okay.
Ocho.
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 Chuchu.
Tirayin natin yung chuchu. Ho-ho.
Chimichonga. Chongo.
Chino.
Ho. We're not getting
Chino.
anywhere. Meron ng
Chino.
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 Huhu.
Chichi.
Meron na din.
It's so chichi. Oh, okay.
Chin Chin.
Chiming.
Chong.
Chiming meron na.
Minching.
Minching, that's not a word. That's a character
It's
in a
Minchin.
cartoon.
Hey.
Gabi, are we going to have
Homo?
2 hits?
In Homo sapiens.
No, I tried
Wala
that
ba
one.
ano yung letters?
Oo nga.
No homo.
Hongo.
Moho.
Chonky. Chonsing.
Shuffle mo nga baka ano.
Maybe it will help. No.
Nihongo.
Nihongo.
Ang ganda.
Mali
Ano yun,
spelling.
double G ba yun?
Isa lang.
I don't think it mattered, but okay.
Minion.
What if high something?
High noon.
Hi.
Nay.
Nay.
Okay, we look at the letters. 133, so it's a 7. 1, 2, 3, 1. Wait, ano yung 1? G. There's the 1. There's the 2, there's the 3, there's the 1. There's
C?
7 H's. So it's a C. Okay, we can do better than that. 7, 2, 2. Okay, it's a CH. It's a CH na 7. Wait. 25. Okay, it's a CH na 7. Chining. Is that a word?
Chigging.
Shiking. Chiching. Chining, chiming, cheeking, chigging.
Shinyon.
Shinyon. Oo nga. Is it like, what is it? Is it like a wine?
Material ata
Oh, it's a
yan.
hair. It's a
Fabric.
hairstyle.
Pusod. Pusod.
I see.
Okay, I'll also add this to the list.
It's a hairstyle.
Oh, that's it. We used
Isa
up
updo.
all the spelling bees.
GG.
We'll forever be behind by, how many is this? 5. 666 puzzles. It's still evil. Okay. Let's do one more. We've been streaming for more than half an hour. Do you guys want to try something else? It's been a while, so we can
More
do
than
some
one.
other things.
Sine to nerd. Buhay pa ba yun?
Oh, sure.
Meron. May subreddit nga.
Pina-follow mo?
Okay, he changed the domain name because the 2 was stupid.
Scenario 2.
Sinenerdle na.
Oh no! I don't
Okay.
know what our account was.
You have lost our account!
No, it was Team Kamote PH.
Forgot password.
We should not type the password here.
Oh, sige. Iyan mo muna.
We'll do that
Stream.
next time. Okay, let's do this original.
Tab out there.
Let's just do that today. Or a few days.
Grabe, it's gotten slower.
Sine Tunerlo.
Okay, so John Favreau is happy. Tom Holland mourns his friend. Ano nga to?
Batman, si
We have to
Butler.
arrange them to form ano. Okay, so we'll do that.
MCU.
Wait, no. Okay, this does still work. This is the second one.
Zendaya goes to Italy, di ba?
Sa
Where
Italy
is
ba
this?
sila ang bakasyon?
They went to
Sa
Europe.
Venice. Oh.
Okay.
Josh Brolin is trying to run a company. Andy Serkis is a butler. That's Batman.
Okay.
Diba?
Tapos si Paul Dano and si
Zoe
Zoe Kravitz. Okay, let's put them all together. Oh, si Colin Farrell is also here. Okay.
Huh? Oh, right. Oo nga.
Gabi, you forgot that was him.
I forgot. Oo nga. Galing eh.
Okay.
Forrest
I feel
Whitaker
like
is
at least
transferred.
one of
Ano
these
to? Okja yan. Okja.
is a movie I
Yung
don't
sa
know. So
Hilda,
Okja is
Hilda, Steven Yeun. Tama ba?
Pwede.
With Gyllenhaal yun.
Hindi ko alam sino nandun eh.
Hindi ko na rin maalala.
Scarjo ba nandun?
Parang wala.
Random swaps.
Channing Tatum is a communist. Wait.
what?
Oh,
Uy, ayun,
okay.
umilaw.
Ano yun? Pretends to be a good guy.
This is
Tilda
ano,
Swinton
it's
plays Paul Dano leads a revolution.
I haven't seen this movie, so I can't help. But I know na may movies na together ni Jake Gyllenhaal.
Ewan. Inisip ko yung Hail Caesar eh. Channing Tatum is a communist ata doon. And who else was there? Scarjo was there.
So you want me to put them together? Aha.
Yun.
Yun na. Switch.
Oh, it
There
was
you go.
Hail Caesar. And sorry to bother
Find
you.
the ano.
I don't know this one.
Sorry to bother you. Okay.
So, ito na lang, di ba? Right? So we just need to swap one of these.
Si Steven Yeun. Ayun na si Okja.
Diyan nga. I see.
Okay, that was not the movie
Hindi
I
pala
was
si Paul
thinking.
Dano.
It's easy. Okay, what number is this? 1317. No, our history won't be preserved. Oh well.
Uulitin natin.
A gifted child rebels with the help of Bill Murray. Wow.
No, with the help of Matt
George
Damon.
Clooney plans,
Against an
George
evil,
Clooney plans a heist.
against an evil casino owner.
Ang
With the
chicken
help of
plan
Matt
of
Damon.
breakout.
Directed by, sino director na to?
Um,
Soderbergh?
Steven
Soderbergh.
Soderbergh. Yeah.
Okay.
Dan Aykroyd
Gift.
battles against evil spirit.
Oops.
Ba't
This
ganyan
is
yan?
Matilda. Adapted from Roald Dahl.
Yes.
Roald Dahl.
Adaptable role.
Okay, with the help of Bill Murray.
Yun.
Chicken
Ano yung
Run.
claymation? Chicken Run.
Okay.
Ivan Reitman in claymation. Wala pala siyang. Wait. Claymation ba?
Okay, so we need to get one of each nung ganitong form.
Oo nga eh.
Plus one against. Okay. Dan Aykroyd battles against an evil farmer? No. Dan Aykroyd battles against evil? No. Okay. A chicken plants a breakout against an evil head mistress.
Against evil spirit.
So definitely hindi na yung chicken plans of breakup because that's so specific.
Feeling ko yung A
So,
Gifted
either
Child Rebels na yung
claymation-
likely.
Oo nga, A Gifted Child Rebels.
Against
Parang
evil
likely.
spirits? Oh, is it like, no. It has to be one of the 4 directors, di ba?
Oo.
Mm,
Wait, walang
so
director yung isa.
Reitman,
Yung blue.
It might be in claymation.
Ang help of a pilot. Ginawa ng generic.
Against an evil farmer.
Okay, how many swaps do we have? 9, that's a lot. We'll put these
9.
together, then we'll put the pilot there. Nope. In claymation. Nope. Okay. A gifted child rebels. Okay, George Clooney plans a heist. Parang sa casino lang siya nag-heist.
Oo nga. May
Parang,
Mas
ibang
Matt
heist.
Damon help a chicken.
parang it's very rare for a film to have an evil farmer.
Yung Violet masyadong specific. Sino dyan yung pinaka-likely? Si Soderbergh. Anong mga dinidirect ni Soderbergh? O kaya tumutulong ba si Matt Damon?
Matt Damon does a lot of helping.
Baka
Si Dan Aykroyd ba na-help na niya?
No, they're kind of from different eras. This one is hard.
Reiner.
against an evil headmistress. Is
Harry
that...
Potter.
Oo nga, inisip ko, Harry Potter ba yan?
Pero wala kasi siya doon sa Violet.
Oo nga eh.
Siya na kasi yung gifted child.
Another Roald Dahl, unlikely yan, no?
Pwede.
Meron na bang movie si Matt Damon with a gifted child?
Meron, Good Will Hunting.
Do they rebel?
Siya yung gifted child. Okay. We'll figure this out.
George Clooney plans a heist against an evil headmistress.
Has he been in another heist na hindi Oceans?
Three Kings. It's heist-like. Wait, Three Kings?
I think that was more like treasure hunting. He was in Three Kings. With like Mark Wahlberg.
And...
Pinag-combine mo si Damon.
Not Damon. Mark Damon. And... Sino yung isa?
Ice Cube.
Anyway.
Ice-T?
Ice Cube ata.
One
I was
of them.
thinking Cuba Gooding Jr. Yeah, Ice Cube.
Okay, we're getting off track.
With the help of a pilot, a chicken can sa breakout. Ay, wag na yan. Parang sobrang specific na yan. Evil farmer? Evil farmer?
Okay, I'm going to assign each person someone they're going against. No, wait. I'll put the chicken here. Ayan.
3 swaps ka na.
Oh no, 3 swaps remaining. We're going to die.
Claymation. Ano ba yung claymation na? With the help of a pilot.
Dalawa magkatabi directed ba yun?
Oh, tsaka pinagtabi ko yung mga against and yung mga verbs.
Why did you do that?
I wanted to see them side by side.
Dan Aykroyd battle. May claymation ba si Ivan Reitman? Parang wala. Ivan Reitman is Beethoven. Ano pa bang yung mga Ivan?
I actually don't know any of his other movies other than Ghostbusters.
With the help of Bill Murray. Parang specific ba yung with the help of Bill Murray?
No, kasi he randomly pops up in a lot of movies like say Zombieland, Ant-Man 3.
Ace Jam.
Kaya feeling ko sa Red, with the help of Bill Murray, yung tama.
Okay. So we'll
In
do.
Clay,
I think.
is that Garfield?
Is there an evil casino owner there? Is there an evil farmer? Tsaka I don't think
Baka Evil Farmer.
if it's Garfield, I don't think it would be with the help of Bill Murray. Kasi Bill Murray is Garfield.
Yeah. So, ayaw niyang sabihin na with Garfield eh. He has to say with the help of Bill
No, but
Murray.
Bill Murray is the lead.
So if someone's gonna do the helping,
He should be the one. He should
some
be the
other.
one with the verb.
Being
Okay.
helped.
Okay, right.
Okay, look. I think
Um,
it's a gifted child rebels against an evil casino owner with the help of Bill Murray. Okay, I
Sino
give
yung
up.
director?
I give up.
Random
Inclamation.
swaps.
It's inclamation. Whatever. Show me.
what's
What
it?
is the
What's this?
answer?
What's this?
How? Oh, here. Fantastic Mr.
Ah,
Fox. It
Clooney.
was an evil farmer.
Farmer nga. Roald Dahl.
Okay. Oh, heist nga yun. Oo nga.
I haven't seen it, so that's on
Okay.
you.
I haven't seen it also.
I
Don't worry.
forgot.
We'll get that when we come back to this after a month.
Animation ba yun?
Road Trip, Will Poulter. Drug deal.
Oh, yeah.
Jennifer Aniston.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Anong ilalagay ko dito?
Alan Tudyk.
Hindi, this is
Siya yung
iRobot.
Oh, di ba siya yung boses nung si
Totoo?
Sonny?
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Okay, ano yung Kramer versus Kramer? Dustin Hoffman ba yun?
Dustin Hoffman, Meryl Streep.
Drama.
What?
Kung Turning Red. Okay.
Okay. Grabe, this could be anything. Why is there a boy band in Turning Red?
Animated family road trip?
Okay. Animated family road trip legal. This is the Mitchells versus the Machines.
Ah,
Oh.
I have not seen that.
Maganda yan. Okay, last
Is
na.
it on Netflix?
I think it's on Netflix. We're almost at 2 hours, so let's do one more. Ethan
Why
Hawke
not?
is shot with bows and arrows. 7 minors get a new roommate. Christian
Puro-
Bale defends a
Puro
closet.
Ethan Hawke.
Okay, I think
Gal
Shocking.
Gadot, Vanity Snow White.
what? Okay, Vanity.
Live action remake
Ano ba si Alexander
of an
Skarsgård?
animated. I have no idea.
We'll put this one there. Asan yung
Live action remake of animated. Sa
Si-
ilalim ni Rachel Ziegler.
El Ziegler yung isa pa dyan.
Okay,
Siya yung Snow White.
Okay, what is so ano?
7 minors get a roommate.
Ah,
Ang kulang.
okay.
Oh, okay.
Hi ho, hi ho. Skin lagot kayo.
Lagot kayo.
Okay,
Jason
this is
James.
anong tawag dito? The Norseman?
Viking Village.
Probably Viking Village.
The Norseman. The Northman.
Okay, I think one of these is like Bad Phone 2.
What is that?
Black Phone 2.
Black Phone.
Sorry. Reign of Fire. That's
Reign
what I was
of
thinking. Gerard Butler
Fire.
and Dragons. Matthew McConaughey uses a crossbow.
2020
It
post-apocalyptic
takes place
England.
in 2020. Okay.
Ano yan, yung tao dito, yung live action na How to Train Your Dragon siguro.
Oo nga.
Yung across.
Gerard Butler din ba yun?
Oo,
pwede.
Gerard
is he
Butler, probably Skarsgård or
Tapos Viking
oh no,
Village.
Viking Village needs protection.
Scott Derrickson?
I don't
Ewan
know,
ko
maybe.
sino.
Either
Sige,
that or Mason
swap mo na lang.
Thames.
Sequel. Hindi, Mason Team. Phone
To
call.
train your dragon.
Phone call doon.
Who is Mason Thames?
Okay.
That was not at all what I was
Kasi
expecting.
hiccup.
Oh, siya nga si Hiccup.
The Black Phone.
Siya si hiccup.
The Black Phone.
Okay. That's it
That
for
guy
today,
is
guys.
definitely Gen Z.
Thanks for coming.
GG.
Bye.
This was
Thanks.
Bye.
season 16, episode 4 of the Kamote Show.
Episode 4.
Tagal nun.
That's what I'll title the YouTube upload. Thanks for coming.
GG.
Likes and subscribe, etc. We don't know
Bye.
when we're coming back. Bye.
When we feel like it.
Bye.
Stopping
Guys,
recording.
see ya.
Hopefully the audio isn't terrible. Bye.